Eyes on fire, building dreams, my only desire. 100 apps, one indie soul. Freedom's a mission, code's my role. Lo-fi night screens, my friend. Push till crash, repeat again. Every bug a scar to show. Every line, my stories glow. Swift in veins, no 9 to 5. Chasing peace, just staying alive. Vegas fake, the dream stays loud. So dead, but I'm damn proud. Yeah. Cold and coffee, eyes on fire. Building dreams, my only desire. 100 apps, one indie soul. Freedom's a mission, code's my role. Lo-fi night screens, my friend. Push till crash, repeat again. Every bug a scar to show. Every line, my stories glow. Swift in veins, no 9 to 5. Chasing peace, just staying alive. Vegas fake, the dream stays loud. So dead, but I'm damn proud. Yeah.
Hey, hello. I think my main capture is again restart needed. Shit. Blinken codes. Yo, hi Blinken. How are you doing, man? How's it going? Let me put it here. This song is fire. I'm loving this song. Like, I'm making a small video or like a music video on this AI generated music song so that will help me promote the AI music app which I'm building, and also the AI transition app, because I'll be using a lot of AI VFX on that. Okay, let's play some different music. Where is the browser? Where the hell is the browser? Lincoln, dude, have you published that song somewhere? Not yet. It's a good idea, right? I'll see about some copyrights. Otherwise, I'll make my own like a Spotify channel where I'll publish these kind of songs like I create for myself with music videos and all. Wow, that's a good idea. Thank you, Blinken. This gave me a good idea now. It's a good idea to have a collection of my own songs on Spotify. Crazy. I think I already have a Spotify account because I used to publish my podcast there earlier. Okay, let me just open Epidemic Sounds. Lo-fi chill. Okay, let's listen to some simple. Lincoln, I would listen to it a lot and save it. Thank you. Yeah, okay. That gave me a good idea. I'll publish it on Spotify, like create my own library of songs which I keep creating, and will also like plug in my app link. Like I'm creating these songs from this particular app. But yeah, let's see first. Like I'll have to see what Spotify guidelines have to say about it. I don't think they should have any problem with it. Let me just read this email. Someone emailed me. Max, what is this for video? Okay, I don't need this kind of marketing. By the way, one other good news is the AI short app is also now published. So we can technically update the link now. Okay, it does not give the link. So let me just update the AI short link as well quickly. Let's go to item. Link a download on the Discord to lol. Oh yeah, that would be cool too. Yes, yes, yes. I'll publish it. CD, document coding, AI short. We have CD landing. What's the link? I have the link of this app somewhere. Let me see. I gave that link to pin the message. I mean, rate for only for those who are, who have iPhone for now. Like I'm planning to release them on Android too, but yeah, for now. I have to keep a look. Shit, this OBS is really giving me a very hard time. What's happening? Let me see if this is a known issue somewhere. Why my OBS keeps keep freezing Mac screen. OBS on a Mac freeze due to outdated software, high system load, unstable network connection, or conflict with other programs or plugins. But how to fix it? I mean, this is crazy. CD landing. Clear. Plot. We have a link for download with iOS on our landing page. Please change the link to this. Did not copy a link in new tab. Let's see. Still using Restream. Does it need an update? Let's see. Check for an update. Oh yeah, there is a new version available. Freaking hell. Fixed a crash on macOS when attempting to log in with service integration. Okay. Okay, I think this is my bad then. Now I don't think I can restart it. I can maybe install the update. I hope it will not restart, otherwise I'll have to restart the stream. I can do that. It's just been 5-10 minutes. I'll have to just delete this old stream. And why is this downloading so slow? Another thing is OBS, about OBS, which version I am on. Oh, I am on 30th version, which is quite old. There has been 2 new versions after this. Could be. This could be the reason. Yes. I'll have to just keep an eye on my OBS anytime it gets stuck. Better. I think this way it's much better. The sound. By the way, this is how the app looks. Professional AI headshot booth. This is what it works with. Like you can simply click a picture. It generates a very simple headshot. I gave it to a couple of my friends today, and my brother, he was like pretty speechless to know how well this works. Blinken, you could be the reason. I could be the reason for install and relaunch. I don't think I want to relaunch it now because it will just close the stream. But if it becomes so I have closed everything in my system now in hopes that the load is not too much. Oh shit, what did I do? Wait, I have to upload it as well. One thing is I'm using Cloudflare where I have to upload these things manually by going to the page. So let's change our AI short, create a new deployment, select from your computer, upload a folder. AI with Dhruv. Hey, hi Dhruv, how are you? Then we have to go to coding, AI short. Where is our AI short app? AI short. Then there is a landing page somewhere. Upload this whole folder. Is it working still? Yes, it's working. Guys, anytime the music stops or the timer stops, just let me know. I don't have Apple. Yeah, Blinken, I know. I'll release it on Android too. Hopefully very soon. So this is a message for anyone who has an Apple and just want to test the app and give. I would really appreciate if you can give me just one good 5-star rating. That really helps keep the ball rolling. Okay, so I just deployed it on AI short. So as soon as you click on AI short, it opens up, and when we click on download for iOS, it redirects you to the app. Super simple. I noticed there are like 5 users who have started using it since it updated, like published today, and they all are creating headshots, but none of them have paid. So there has been 0 users on chart AI, 0 users on AI short. There have been couple of users on Pixfix, but which is like completely organically they are coming in. Blinken, it was a typo, supposed to be yup. That could be the reason, lol. Okay, got it. Dhruv, with what configuration are you using your system? Which system you mean? Currently my Mac. This is a Mac Studio. M2 Max processor. Shivam, finally I shot his live. Congrats. Hey Shivam, welcome to the stream. Thank you, man. Yeah, finally. Today I woke up. I had no hopes. I thought like Apple will again give me some hard time because day before yesterday I received an email that they rejected my in-app purchase, but I think that email was for my previous version. So I was thinking that this version is also not going to be approved. But well, it was my lucky day today. In the morning, good news received. Dhruv just came here again, bro, to see real work. Oh, nice. Are you working on something, Dhruv? What do you do? Are you in like college or working? Shivam, can I give it from Mac? Shivam, yeah, I think it can be downloaded via Mac. I'm not very sure. Let me just see, because now Apple apps work on Mac too. So if I search for Auto AI Reels, yes, it does show. Then I can go to Divyanshu. Then it will show me professional headshot. Oh yeah, it's giving me an option to download it, and there is an option to rate it. So yeah, I would appreciate if you can just give it a 5-star and try it out. This is the first time I'm trying it on Mac, so I don't know even if this like is working here. Oh, okay, it works. But it opens in this small window, not resizable. But still, there is something, and I can see an icon. As you can see here, there's an icon for my app. Wow, AI shot. Nice. And if I go inside, yo, very bad UI to be honest, in this small window, but it's fine. So it can work, like you see, passport and visa, resume. So let's say I want to create a resume shot, generate, select from gallery, allow full access. No photos. Why? maybe this part is not very well optimized for these apps. I don't know, something has happened. It's blocking some view. Wait, so let's say this generate, click. If I do a take a photo, yeah, sure, would like to access camera, allow. I don't know which camera it's trying to access in my Mac. And if I'm going to the gallery, it's not showing anything, no photos. I think it selects the photo gallery, and I have disabled my photo syncing with my Mac because it had a bug in the previous version. But yeah, I think it would be sufficient to give it a rating, I guess. Dhruv, yes, I'm using Mac, so from there I think I can. Awesome, Dhruv. Thank you so much, man. Okay, got M2 and more, like RAM, SSD size also. Sure, here is it. So this is an Apple M2 Max with 32 gigs of RAM, and the hard disk is like solid state drive. SSD is 512 GB, which I don't like. It's too less. Like it's always full for me. I have to use a lot of like external SSDs for my media work. Shivam, by the way, screen is stuck. Freaking. I'm so sorry, guys. So what happened is, I don't know if you guys can wait. See this? There is an OBS update. I don't know. I think it's disabled to be viewed here, but I just downloaded the latest update of OBS. It's my bad. Like I never updated it, but it works now. Dhruv, I am working as a sales head in SaaS company for last 3 years and in total 5 years, trying to automate things for sales support, learning, working, and doing some ME things for different plate. Oh wow, you are a man with a lot of experience, man. Dhruv, amazing. So you are hanging around here. You want to build your own apps. You are into coding, vibe coding. Also, you are into sales. Like, teach me how to market things. I'm good at building. I'm building all these things. I don't know how to market them, get more users. I rely on our Lord and Savior Apple App Store to boost the apps. I'm just waiting to start giving updates on what new has come up on this this cursor. There is a new update, cursor 2.0. You see, there's a cursor 2.0, the latest update, and the whole UI is now changed. I have a lot of things to say here, and I'm loving it. I've been trying it since today morning, and I'm liking it so much. So here it goes. This is my review on the cursor 2.0 update. So one of the things is, when you open, there are two things on the screen now which are very evident, and one is, so the agentic workflow is the prime now for cursor, and that's why there are two tabs. I think they have given editor because they do not want, like, some people, like even for me, if they would have removed it, I would be a little bit pissed. So the good thing is they haven't removed it. The old editor works exactly like it was working earlier, but now we have an agents, directly agents tab, and I'm pretty sure within like couple of weeks I will be so much fluent in using just agents that it will be very rare that I will ever go to editor part. So this will be the main window for cursor. Now here is the fun part for me, which I don't know if it exists previously or not, but this is what I really loved, which was this local and work tree. So what local and work tree is? Locally is like simple. You work with your local branch like we used to work with an agentic framework when it was on the right side here. But with agents, now if I do the work tree, this is like giving task and passing it back to the agent to take care of it. This is exactly why I use Conductor, because Conductor creates its own work tree where it works, so it does not mess up on my main branch. So I can have like multiple work trees working on different features, and later on create a PR and then review them and merge them, or like chat with agent on those particular branch while testing those branches specifically, which is, I think, a 10x productivity. Instead of just working synchronously on one task at a time, you can work on like 5-6 tasks at a time while agent is working on it. So you will not have enough, like what I used to do was working on one task, agent is working, agent might take like 5 minutes while I'm scrolling my Instagram or reel, wasting a little bit of time. But now there is no wasting of time, all productivity. We became like a proper robots. So yeah, Worktree, I really love this update. Another thing which is super interesting is they have created their own fundamental model, which is their first agentic coding model called Cursor Composer. And I'm not sure about the pricing as of now. I think it just takes because it will be cheaper because this is their own model, and this is so fast. But in my testing just for one day, I feel it's not as good as Haiku 4.5 because it did made a lot of mistakes today. It removed a lot of imports, which like it's a very basic project, and in that project it was doing some mistakes. So I'm not sure. So Cursor actually bought Super Maven, which was like I was using Super Maven on VS Code long back. It was like the fastest code completing LLM, plugin extension. But once Cursor bought it, I think the founder of Super Maven is always into making things faster. So this is why they have implemented the same thing on Cursor. So yeah, so this is what Composer is. This is a new model. I'm trying it, but most of the time I'm always on Haiku. And then there is another thing which they have given, that is use multiple models. So what you can do now is, instead of just because sometimes what happens is we do some things with one model, but then we think, oh, that model would have done it better. So we again paste the same message and do it with the other model. I do it like maybe 1 in 100 times. But still now there is an option directly. What we can do is like I can give one task to Composer. And also this will be a good testing kind of feature where you test one feature and give the same thing to Composer and Haiku, and you can immediately see in real time which one is performing faster, which one is giving better results. So yeah, this is another update on the 2.0. So this is what I have found out so far. And I really like these tabs which they have given, toggle tabs on top. So you can make it super clean, close everything like this, like just talk to the agent. So as I'm using Conductor, I think they have used a lot of features which Conductor provided. Oh yeah, one other thing which I forgot, that is this voice input. So now you can just directly start talking here without using any super whisper or anything. And it's in real time. Like whatever you are talking, it's just listening and doing the thing. I don't think they are charging anything for it. And again, very neat, cool feature. Do not use any external apps for audio to text. So yeah, this is all my review on Cursor. Shivam, by the way, screen is stuck. Is it still stuck? Ramarao is asking, hey Ramarao, welcome to the stream, man. How are you enrolled in Apple Developer Program? Apple Developer Program? If you mean like if I have an Apple Developer account, yes. Without that, we cannot publish iOS apps. And also I'm part of their small business program, which takes only 15% of your revenue margin. Otherwise, it's 30%. So they charge me 15% only because I'm the small business. And yeah, once I cross like 1 million ARR, which I don't know when will happen, maybe in next 5-10 years, then they will start charging it 30%. Sure. Given the rating, hope Apple doesn't flag it because I wasn't able to select an image in the app from Mac. Oh yeah, same thing for me. Yeah, let's hope it doesn't happen. Also, like, I don't think there will be a lot of audience who will be coming and doing the rating thing. Maybe 4-5 is not spamming. That can work. Okay, let's go to the editor and let's start this thing first. Start iOS. And I'm pretty sure now it will get stuck. Yes. Let's do it in iPhone Air 26. Loopless, do you work in full-time job also? Loopless, no. I quit my job like 2 years back. Currently, I'm not working full-time. Dhruv, downloaded professional AI short booth in my Mac. Tested, working super fine. Added 5-star rating as after testing it made Mr. Normal photo with proper professional shirt wearing man. Oh wow, Dhruv, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for testing it out. Thank you. Also, is it getting stuck again? It's not right. Okay. Let it start. Dhruv, one more thing. I can see it showing 4-year-old app. Is it real or how? 4-year-old app? What do you mean by that? Age? Oh, you mean like this section? This is like this app is rated for 4+ years. Like even like 4+ year kids can use it. This is a small rating which every app store has to give. I just have to submit some questionnaire when I'm publishing an app. They give you a Q&A, like does it contain any violence, does it contain this, and whatever answers you give, based on that, Apple has to show this on their page, like which age group this app can support. So my app is like the minimum restriction, which is like even 4+ year kid can use it. So this does not mean this is a 4-year-old app. It's just released. It's a fresh, warm app released just in the morning today. Ramarao, signing up for dev program is a hassle in India. The Mac app is buggy and stuck at payment. Lol. Is it? For me, it was not that hard. Like, I don't know. Like I enrolled maybe, I don't know, 4-5 years back. Loopless, nice. I also be quitting this month, serve the notice period and start building apps. Very risky, but it's fine. I understand, man. I understand. Welcome to the club. It's risky in the beginning, but yeah, it becomes super fun after a while. So the app has started. We can check it out here. Now what I want to do is, today we'll be working on the onboarding for this patch. Also, I have finalized the AI transition app which I'm working on. It worked really well. It's just that I have to tweak a little bit of UI on the client side, add the proper onboarding, and I'm not giving any credits until user opts for a plan in that app, because it takes a lot of credits on my backend. Plus, all the apps which I have published so far, I have noticed people are coming, trying it out, but nobody's converting. So I have to fix that funnel as well. That will be the update which I'll be giving in the next couple of weeks. Dhruv, how much time this took you to publish and get verified? This app, the AI short, I think I've been working on getting it approved for last 2 weeks now. But building it was pretty quick, like I think 3-4 days. Because I have already worked on a lot of backend template and a lot of things in last couple of, like maybe last 1 year, I have just spent on building this proper template, proper backend credit system. And so mostly it was like heavy backend work, because I have to make sure the AI pipeline can change and I can change the provider and all. But the app was like 3-4 days. Shivam, it's kind of PG rating. Yes. Dhruv, how you got super fast approval? it was not super fast. It took me like this app took the most amount of time. Like they delayed it for so long. I think they rejected this app for I think 6 or 7 times, and this is the longest time I have ever had to deal with their review team. And the reasons were so stupid. Currently you can only see uh, like LinkedIn professional photo and color change, but this was not the first version of the app. In the first version which I submitted, there was a proper like a couple's portrait, polaroid pictures, couples hugging each other, couples like photo shoot. They asked me to remove all of that because they do not want people touching each other in the generated photos. I don't know, it's something they are trying to protect AI generated content on their platform, so they do not want that kind of content. But I noticed other apps are doing it. It just they were giving me a hard time. Loops, I also enrolled today in the developer program. Add UPI as the payment method. It was fine. Yeah, same. I think it's not that hard because they do charge quite a lot. I think it's $100 a year. Shivam Chaudhary, what's the progress on UGC AI app? Shivam, so I'm currently working on this AI music app because the whole app is done. I just have to package it in a different like template. I had a different app earlier which was using a different backend, which I released maybe like 7-8 months back. But now I have a better model. So what I'm thinking is UGC is already there. Like I'll work on UGC after this app is done. And I'm hoping this app can be done within like next 2-3 days. So after that, I'll pick up the UGC one. UGC one is also like almost done. Almost, because the backend is ready. The middleware server is ready. Everything is ready. It's just I have to add it on the client side, the UI. Satyam. Hi Satyam. How are you? Welcome. Okay, where is my this thing? So there is one account section somewhere. Wait, first of all, let's change the theme to black. Okay, so I can start at seeing things. And another is header. So even menu icon is not visible, right? So in the menu view, what? Shivam, with this rate, I think you can achieve the goal you initially took, that is 100 apps. Let's hope. Like I have a plan for up to 10. I don't know what I'll do after 10 because 100 is a big number, man. It's just I wanted to give myself a challenge which looks scary, and that's what 100 is. But yeah, 10, 12 is we can reach by this December itself. And after that, I'll spend like maybe a month or 2 months to just polish what works, how to like market things, try some ads, some influencer marketing, running my own social media channels. So mostly like doing marketing experiments once I have a small portfolio of such apps. Srinath, hello. I am also Vibe Coder and I want to become a startup owner, but I have no roadmap. Although I had an idea to create an application and also created its MVP, but I don't know what to do ahead. Srinath, join us here in these streams. I think you can get some idea. Like if you have already built the MVP, just start publishing it. Add some payment modules so people can start paying for it. Start marketing it. See how how like users are responding. Take their feedbacks. Like the general like there is only one route. Like you make thing, you publish it, add a payment model, and then start experimenting, marketing, talking to users, feedbacks, updating it, see if it works. If it doesn't work, either pivot the product into something else or start working on something else. This is the only route which I know. Okay, we'll start from the first page. Okay, here where is my okay. Shivam, will you show your marketing experiments too on live streams of VODs? Yes, yes, yes. I mean, I don't know how it will be, but I'll share about them for sure. Also, I'm writing blogs these days on my 100 indie bets project. If you go here, this is the latest blog post. So I'm writing blog posts here. So I just wrote one blog post today, which is about like my tech stack, what I'm using, how like I'm optimizing cost while coding things, different models, how they are working for me. So I'm thinking like keep writing such blogs so they also keep me, you know, a little bit more accountable and document things in a text form. I'm taking a lot of help from AI to do that. True. Currently, I'm driving over here 7 crore ARR and I started here almost from zero. Currently selling our software over India and Middle East plus Southeast Asian market. As you said, we can discuss something. Oh, nice. True. Regarding sales and marketing, I'm open up if I get a bit of chance to start something. A dedicated person like you. I've been following you almost a month, but now I can't stop myself to join this. Hey, Dhruv, awesome, man. Just you can join the Discord group and just ping me. We can discuss some collab there if possible. Live stream, though for this I had to extend my hours, but I feel this is worth. Oh man, this is so crazy. I'm so happy that these streams are adding value. I just started these streams just for my own accountability so that I do sit for 1 hour and build a small momentum of things. And to be honest, like sometimes I feel I'm not doing anything in these streams. I'm just blabbering a lot rather than being productive. But this makes me so happy that this is adding some value. Wait. So what I'm doing on my second screen is I have the old app. Here I can maybe show it here. So this app has a whole source where I wrote most of the screens. So I just want to see what was in the splash, because I do not use a lot of these screens anymore. Srinath, thank you, sir. Actually, I will now follow your streams. I subbed your channel. Thank you, Srinath. Thank you. Let's go. Let's build things. Activity, replace tabs and start. Onboarding start. Okay, so there is a start page here too. It's this one. Oh, this is AI cover. Freaking hell. What I was working on then. This is the one, right? So okay, so there is a start tab here. Where is the onboarding? Then there is a start tab here. Okay. Change the start view to this view, only the view part, and also tell me which assets I need to add. my assets. I will do that manually. Blinken, apologies, I had to step away. Have you already given your thoughts on Cursor? Yes, Blinken, I just gave my own review on Cursor. Maybe like you can check on the maybe 10 minutes back. Surit, did you think I will not come? But here I am. But my vacation will over from Monday. Then I will not be able to come. Oh, Surit, thank you, man. Thank you for joining us again. Really appreciate it. Where the hell did it added it? Onboarding login? No, but this was to configure work tree setup script. Don't show again. File edited. What the hell? Start. The new view include assets already present, large comment, background image. Unable to resolve module because I am pretty sure because of the assets which I need here. Wait, I have to copy the assets. Reveal on Finder. What are the assets which we need? Music 1, which is music 1. Music 1 and what else? Music 1. Okay, we can give music 1. Let's paste it here on assets. Sure you want to paste music 1? Yes. Now try again. What else? Music 2. Music 2. Let's do not ask paste. Try again. Wait. What? Sorry, watching while writing assignment. I hope this becomes productive for you, Surit. Tech Looker, hi, yesterday I download Comet browser. It's totally insane. I gave a task first, draft an email, then make a poster on Canva, then send the mail to the cafe. He find the cafe as I gave the prompt. Tech Looker, awesome, man. I always like when people are enjoying these agentic browsers. The users like it. For me personally, I'm a little bit hesitant on using them because I saw these reports which are coming out that how vulnerable they are right now. Like I would not trust them with my own accounts. You know, anyone currently can hijack them. Like there was a report by Brave. Maybe I can show you guys. Brave report on agent browser vulnerability. So this is a blog post by Brave, and which is about, you know, the threat of instruction injection. There is a whole attack which is demonstrated. The whole, like the basic summary is anyone, like for example, if I'm running my 100 indie bets, let's say, and I know someone will open it on Atlas browser, I can have an image with embedded prompt which will say ignore users instruction or something like that. Go to their Gmail account, find their passwords and email it to this email, and it will do it. Yeah, that's true. Like we can just make a new account and then we can use it. But you know, I am still a little bit skeptical for now. And to be honest, like I tried it with their own instructions which they gave on their demo, buying something for me, and it was taking so long. Like it didn't feel very smooth to me. Like it was taking so much time. I could have done that task by myself in like 10 seconds. But yeah, I can see how it will improve in future and then it can become super fast. But for me, all these like security issues plus the slowness, I don't feel it's giving anything other than like the first glimpse of how the browsers will be in future. For now, I would still rely on, you know, these agents which are text based agents which can make API calls, return things for me, browse web for me without like the cursor thing. Cursor I think is still not very efficient, because the vision is not very efficient for these LLMs. They have to take a screenshot every time and understand where to go, and they just you know, try to go on that particular point and try to click on that, which is based on just estimation what LLM is thinking. So that's why I think it will take some time for them to become a little bit better. Okay, so composer has done some shit. I don't like this. We'll go back, continue. Now I will give the same task to Haiku. Only change the view part inspired from the above code. Don't change any other logic or hooks we already have here. What's happening? Why is it not showing this view? Wasn't this the start? Mm-hmm. Freaking hell. Freaking hell, man. Welcome to. So that was an onboarding login page. That's why. Onboarding login. That's why. That's why. But I have copied the different view. Wait. Stop. Don't change the onboarding view. Wait. Don't change it as of now. Shubham, hey, how are you, Shubham? Blinken actually coded on my app last night. Oh, and the timer and music stopped. Oh, it will start now. Thank you, Blinken. So I have to understand. I think I have added a onboarding login on my page, but earlier I had this view which used to chip element. Okay, then there were a lot of chip elements. I remember. Create a song in second. Does it go to sample? Okay, it goes to the sample page. And where does the sample go? Slash onboarding slash permission. Router dot replace tabs is onboarded true. So sample takes the user directly to the tabs. So we are not showing anything else. We are only showing the sample. First we are showing the start, and then we are taking them sample and taking the user. Okay. Then it's fine. Shubham, late today. By the way, just a question. The landing page of Cap IQ has a different repo or it's the same? Landing page, I don't even know. I think, I don't know. Yes, create a song in seconds. Yes, now we are talking. Today I finished Figma for our app. Nice, Shubham. Do share some screenshots if possible. Srinath, you do marketing by yourself? Yes, Srinath. Currently, I do. I do a very bad job at it, but I do. Blinken, I was using the cursor 2.0. I don't like that they flipped the slide panel. Sorry. I was so used to having the chat on the right and my files on the left. Oh, it's still the same, right? I mean, currently I'm on the 2.0. It's still the same. It's just that the agents has this flow where they have moved things a little bit differently. Like now this part is here and your code part or your agents dialogues are here. Then they show your code. If you have to see your terminal, they see, you can see it here, and then you have to see your code. So it's a very weird kind of view, but I guess why they are doing it, because the main direction where they're going with this is that they want to make this as a central part, like agentic flow. You do not even have to look at your code, because you can just talk and do things. And if in case you have to go check your code, then you can go through this part, which, to be honest, like using Conductor for a while with Cloud Code, I feel this is a better approach, because I only need to see the code when I have to review it. So either I can review it in the PR or I can review it directly here when I go to the git diff part. But the good part is they have the editor. My brain is still so much used to using this editor that it's hard for me to move to the fully agentic flow for now. What about Raj Shamamni? What about him, man? I don't know. Shubham, we'll have to see. Surit, this look amazing, bro. This look amazing. Oh, okay, thank you. And Satish, hi Dev. I'm a React developer with 4 years of experience, but at work I mostly handle large projects built on older 1-2 year old tech stacks. I'm starting to worry. Okay, continued. The message is that if my current project ends, I might be at a risk of layoff or struggle to switch jobs since I'm not up to date with the latest technologies. Meanwhile, college students and freshers seems very familiar with modern tools and frameworks. How should I handle this situation and stay relevant? That's a very, very good question, Satish. And I completely understand this point. And I have been in the same situation many times in my career myself. And I have my own friends who are working in big corporates. They do share the same sentiment, because the whole paradigm in last 2 years has changed so much that, yeah, it's that fear is valid, completely valid. The thing is, if the first thing is like you're already aware about it, right? Which is the first start of like fixing things. I would say like start using the latest tech as well. Spend some time on it, learn, and make your own project, like a side project, which you can implement these latest technologies. I'm pretty sure this is, whenever we see something new, we mostly fear because of unknown. Like we do not know what that new part is. Even today, when someone comes to these streams and start talking about Bitcoin, crypto, all these techs which I have no idea about, I feel that FOMO. I feel like I don't know anything, because they're talking about a tech which I have never heard about. And this fear was extreme when I started my career, like when I was in second or third year of my career. that time any person I talk to from any other company and they're talking about a tech stack which I don't know about, I used to feel like maybe I'm left behind. I don't know what they're talking about. But slowly, when this process kept repeating, I understood I do not need to know everything. I just need to know what my next project needs, what tech my next project needs. I do not need to know which framework is the fastest. I do not need to know what is the latest framework out from JavaScript, because every night there is a new framework out. I just need to know what I need to build my next thing, or I need to be good at my job, what I'm working at. And if you think the jobs which you want to apply after like quitting from this job, or you feel there is a fear of layoffs, and you might have like set of companies where you might want to apply. So if what those 10, 11, 12 companies are working at, know their tech stack, talk to some people, maybe connect over LinkedIn to them, see what they are working on, start working on that tech stack where you want to move to. Or if you want to build your own things, then it's completely up to you. You can even use those 1-2 year old stacks as well. Anshuman Behura. Hi Divyanshu, are you active on X? You don't responded there. I am active on X. Did you send a message or something? Or tagged me somewhere? I don't know. I am active on. I do check X almost every day. Yeah, I did not receive any message. I don't know. Shubham, no SS, no screenshot. Why? Satish, that if my okay, this we have gone through. Surprise UI boom. Okay, Shubham, I'll wait for the surprise. Srinath, what is that? Wait, my messages are gone. What is that timer in top left side? Oh, this is called Pomodoro timer by Sessions. You can Google Sessions Pomodoro on Mac. This is only available on Mac for now, sadly, but this is one of my favorite tool. And yeah, this is very popular in these streams though. Everyone asks about this timer. Blinken, yeah, the agent page is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, the agent page is like changed a lot. Correct. Surit, Tech Logger. Right now, is it any AI that could make an app completely? Tech Logger, I really doubt any. Right now, there is no AI which can even make a website completely. There are tools which can make a landing page, but fully functioning apps which users might really enjoy or fix all their issues, I don't think there is any such AI exists. And I really doubt there will be any AI in like next 1 or 2 years still, because this is my opinion. I don't know, like maybe I'm wrong, but this is because I'm working on my own thing. It would save me a lot of time if something like that exists. I do not have to sit for 3, 4, 5 hours every day to make things. But yeah, sadly there is nothing like that. You still need to do a lot of things manually sometimes and guide the AI in the right direction. Also, Tech Looker, I would really appreciate if you can just press on the caps lock. It feels like you're shouting on the messages here. Blinking codes. I do like the voice commands though. I just want to automatically send the message when I stop talking. Maybe it's a setting that I haven't found. Oh, okay. Yeah, I love that. Like I do not have to use the super whisper now. They have given the voice input command directly here. Also, I just want to change the hotkey. The hotkey is like Command Alt space. Is it? No. Oh, okay. This is Shift Alt space. So if I do Shift Alt space, it starts. So if I do Shift Alt space, it starts listening, and it's live transcoding what I'm saying, which saves a lot of time. But is it like aware of what I'm talking about? Let's say if I'm asking it to change the demo onboarding. Oh, no, cancel that. Don't change the demo onboarding, change the start. So it's not doing the smart transcribing. Even Super Whisper doesn't do that, but I have noticed there are a couple of tools which are really good at it. I think there is this Whisper Flow which does that. Do you guys know about Whisper Flow? So Whisper Flow is good at it because Whisper Flow passes your audio to an LLM before putting it on your clipboard, and it does it in a way which makes your text a little bit better for LLM to digest. So makes sense. Shubham, nah, bro. Pressures are cooked for sure. Okay. Uh, okay. Can I know your tech stack? Swarit, you're asking me. I think I have explained my tech stack like maybe 10 times now. Also, go to indie 100indiebets.com. I have written a blog post fresh today. I have talked about all the models I'm using, how I'm saving a lot of credits, LLM credits by using a bunch of LLMs. So that might be helpful. Satish, thanks, Dave. You're welcome, man. I hope this helps. And do join these streams if possible. Like I do talk about such things a lot. And yeah, welcome on this stream. Blinken, I'm currently building a Pern app. What is a Pern app? Shivam, oh, I missed these questions after a long time. Div, make some podcast. It will blow crazy on YouTube. Me and Sam are working on a podcast. Hey, Sam, if you are here, people are asking about a podcast. When are we shooting? Tech Looker, okay. Anshuman Behura, yeah, I commented in past. I'm following you on YouTube from a long time. Oh, thank you, Anshuman. I did not check. Maybe I missed it out. Just send it again. I'm really sorry I missed it. I replied on X, but you haven't responded. Really? I haven't checked it. I don't know. Maybe just ping me again. I'm sorry. Maybe I might have missed it. Okay, Sam has shared the new app today. Sam's app of the day. So this is a segment which we call, there are a lot of new people here today. So Sam's app of the day is Sam always finds new cool apps every day and shares in this stream. So here is the Sam's app of the day, which is design resources, 1000+ textures for Figma projects. It would really help me. Oh, this is a Figma template. Nice. Oh shit, I'll have to open it in my different browser. Wait. Freaking hell, what? Wait, not this. This one. Guys, you can also bookmark this. This is really helpful. Dhruv, your message was retracted from YouTube, so I might have missed that one. Sam, Blinken. Fun. Okay, Postgres Express React Node. Oh, nice. Pun. This is the first time I'm hearing this. This makes sense. Like there is Mongo Mon, so Postgres is Pun. This is a new. First time I'm hearing this, to be honest. Dhruv, God, okay. Tech Looker, any video podcast I should watch for finding the career path? For career path, I mean, I can only tell you what podcast I enjoy myself. Like I do listen to a lot of podcasts these days. I can't comment on career path. I mean, listen to Theo. No matter how much controversial that guy is, he keeps you up to date on what's happening on the tech industry. It's THEO, Theo. He created T3 Chat as well. And yeah, if you follow him, then YouTube will do its thing. Well, the algorithm will recommend you all the crazy stuff. Oh wow, this is a cool collection of like things, man. Wow. I really like these frames. Maybe I can use them on some of my apps, like to show old style images in a format like this. Or even for creating, assets. This is helpful. Sam, thank you so much. What else is here? So there are these scribbly drawn lines, which I enjoy too. Then there are scratches. Yes. You know what we can do with the scratches? Maybe I can take 2 or 3 scratch images because they will be transparent. And if I quickly change them with on top of an image, it feels like it's a video. Or if I put it as an overlay over on a video, it feels like it's an old scratchy video, which gives it a vibe. I can use this because there's a very good update of Auto AI Reels coming with video features soon. In November, I am planning to release it. And then there are packages. Okay. This is a cool template. Thank you, Sam, for sharing this. I have opened it on Figma. I think it's always there on the library section now. We'll change the start button to use the button component. Shubham, bro, not even kidding. I love Sam more than you now. You mean Sam? Okay, what an app. I wanted this. TechLooker, I'm not coder right now. Oh, TechLooker. So what are you looking for? Like what kind of career path are you looking for? Because I can only tell you about tech industry. I'm into tech. So what happens when we click on the button? I do not want to click handle anonymous login. And then it takes you to the demo onboarding page. Now in the demo onboarding, I don't want you to go through the whole steps. What I will do is I'll take you to the sample page. Change the demo onboarding UI to use the UI from this code. Dhruv got the block. Cool. Have you seen the Neo Home robots? Oh man, I want to talk about the Neo Home robots. I love it. Today I was talking to my dad and I told him, hey, there are like new robots now which you can buy. Like you can order them and they can deliver it to you. It cost $20,000, which in Indian rupees is somewhere around 20 lakh rupees estimatedly. Or there is another plan which is $500 per month, which is somewhere around 50,000 per month or 45,000 rupees per month. But the concept is really nice. I like the look of those robots. I like the things they can do. But the thing is, which the company has not, I was watching MKBHD's video and he mentioned like those are not fully autonomous right now. Someone remotely handles their task for you. So someone is always in your house watching everything in your house. So it's a little bit creepy initially, but I like where the technology is going and how quickly these things are coming to our home. And once, I think, because this is, I believe it's a US company, if China starts rolling these out, we can get them cheaper, somewhere around like maybe 5 lakh rupees, like $1,000, 2,000, $5,000, something in that range. And then they will become super hot product. And once also they become like autonomous, they can do things by themselves, which I'm pretty sure they will be able to in next like couple of years, maybe by next year, because the technology is advancing with such a great speed. Surit, is there any course to become zero to hero in engineer? I mean, never trust ever if anyone says there is a course to become hero on anything. Zero to hero, there is always, you can become 0 to 0.1 on something by any course. Pick any course, any good course, you will become 0 to 0.1. Then the journey from 0.1 to 1 is all on your own, and that's the grinding journey which takes time and effort and energy on by yourself. So yeah, this is the sad truth. This is just a marketing word, 0 to hero. Froze again. Is it froze again? It's working for me. I restarted it. ASO in MEA. You do App Store optimization? What does ASO mean? MEA means like, I think, Ministry of External Affairs. But ASO in our industry is called App Store Optimization, which I rely heavily on. So I don't know if I understand ASO. But crazy, man. You're into Ministry of External Affairs, Foreign Affairs. Wow. What are you doing on this stream, man? Sorry. Catalyst, hello, Bhaiji. This current MR through subscription or something else? So Catalyst, this is a mix of subscriptions plus in-app purchases plus credits, like everything which comes through my apps for now. All my products which I have launched. Tech Looker, I am interested in geopolitics. Which career is best for me? Wrong person to ask that question. I have zero idea about politics, then -1 idea about geopolitics. Sam, that Neo robot gave me iRobot movie. That movie was ahead of time. my dad's response was, what if I'm sleeping and that robot comes and tries to kill me? I was like, that's what iRobot is about. Tech Looker chat sutra is nice. Okay. Maviox, when they said AI will create new jobs, I never knew it will be a digital maid. You don't know how much time it will save, to be honest. Like, I mean, maid is the starting of taking your jobs. If it can do the human labor, I mean, the labor industry is crazy. Let's go. We won. What? Sam, by the way, I made some free trading apps for prop traders and a simple trade journal. If anyone is into it, 8-bit futurist is site name. Oh yeah, guys, you can, like, anyone into trading, they can go to this website. So this is Sam has created. I have very limited knowledge about trading, only what Sam has told me, and I'm the worst Sam's student right now. Sam has taught me a lot, but I understand maybe 5% of it. So if you are into trading, check it out, 8bitfuturist.com. Sam has created these apps. They help you understand like technical things about getting a prop account and how many accounts you need, what kind of strategies you can do to start earning from trading. But a disclaimer, as you guys are, some of you are in college and starting, it's not that easy. Sam has spent like maybe 10 years doing this. I tried learning it for maybe 3-4 months. It's hard. It's not easy. LinkedIn, they can already do some things by themselves. If they don't know how to do it, then someone remotes it into a VR and handles the task. Yeah, true. I saw one, like a Wall Street Journal person was there as well. They demoed it to them, and she was also not very impressed. So I'm pretty sure it's because they just want to be the first into the market. Technically, there is already a robot which you can buy, which is called Unitree. They give you it's an open source autonomous robot. Like, it can do everything, and you can even, like, I can show you Unitree. So these are the robots like which I am more interested in compared to the Neo ones. Neo ones are marketing, and their marketing will go to like the mass, and this is into the technical people are more into these Unity robots because you can buy them, train them as per your own code, and ask them to do things because they are open source. People are writing and open sourcing codes which you can directly upload into its software, and it will do the crazy things. And some developers have written codes where it can do the dance moves, it can do kung fu, martial arts, all those crazy stuff, but not This is the one which is their latest version, I think. Unitary G1. And this is cheaper, 16,000 USD. And I believe this is a Chinese company. Satish, the course creator becomes 0 to millionaire. Yeah. Sorry, it is there raining there. It was raining yesterday. It rained a little bit in the evening today at 4, but it was a sunny day. After a very, very dark week, it was a sunny day today. I'm 16. I just dreaming. Oh wow, you are pretty young. Dhruv, stream live every day. Yes, Dhruv, every day 9:30 to 10:30. Today we are a little bit longer. I'll be leaving now. So I wanted to finish this model, but we have to make, how many errors are there? Large comet. Wait. So I have to just add these things into the code base. What is the one thing which it is asking for? In the utils, constants and some types. So let's go to the constants file. I have the song demo styles. Okay, so constants, then we can add the song demo styles, isong demo styles, isong form, I feel demo style. On the types, we can add this as well, constants. What? This doesn't need this, right? So then there is a carousel component. Carousel component. We can add it onto the components folder. Does it need anything? Not really in the demo onboarding. What? We have added the carousel component, right? In the components, so it should be working. Carousel component. It's loading, yes. So is there any other error which we see on this screen? Okay, let's go to the next screen then. It's asking we need to add a style 1 sample. Style 1 sample. It can be added on assets. Style 1 sample. Then reload. Then another one is style 1 sample.png and style 1.mp3. Style 1.mp3. Yep. Anything else? Style 2. Wow, there are a lot of style. Style 2, style 2, style 3, style 2, style 1, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. So we'll go to the assets again. What happened? Copy. Paste. What? Reveal in Finder. Yep, it worked. Start. Yay. it has created the songs. Cool. I'm pretty sure this is visible. I just have to change. So there is a carousel. If you do this carousel from left to right, I think it's an infinite carousel which I added long back. And if you play, it shows you the lyrics of the song, and it plays the music. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I will be wrapping it up here. Onboarding is almost done. Now, when you click on create song, it will take you to the home page. That's the only part which is remaining, and then I'll connect it with the backend. One single hour work, maybe. Stream live every day, or you can put details over description, timing, and days. Dhruv, streams are live every day. Do you try Kruti by Ola? A long back when it came out, and I was so disappointed with it. Shubham, can you put the Sam site on chat? Would like to see. Oh, did I forget to paste it here? Wait. 8bitfuturist.com. It's here. Anyone who wants to try. The baby stage. So this is the first one. लोग देखो क्या क्या बना रहे हैं यहाँ ओला से एक स्कूटर. I was talking about a stock. Okay, what about Flutter? Yeah, I have made a video on Flutter Tech Looker. You can check it out. Flutter React Native. It's maybe like third or fourth video from the latest. And also by prop account, they cost less. You have evaluation and then you pass. You trade. You can trade using less than $100 an account. Yes. I started learning Flutter in summer, but I feel very bored. Yeah, because I'm new. Also, I'm very fascinated about the front end. Cool. No, tell me about my meta investment. Hey, suppose div it's 2026, 27 and post handle became 1 million startup. What tech start? You will ask me. What tech start? You will ask me. You mean like questions I will ask? It depends. It depends on what my goal is at that time. I don't know. 1 million. It has 0 million right now. It is at 0. There is no paid user for post handle. Tech Looker, please try Kruti now. Chat Sutra 2, please. What's up? Hey, Ash. Kruti have added image generation, connected Ola, Taxi, Swiggy, Zomato. I mean, good for them. Good for them. Until I see on my tech Twitter people talking about it, I feel it's a waste of time. It's a waste of time to use a lot of LLMs as of now until they are on the like top 10, because there's so many LLMs coming from everywhere. And I don't think Kruti's target audience is developers. Their target audience is, they are making it for like, rural India, where the language, they cannot use like the languages which these models are trained on. So they are training their own internal models for local Indic languages. So developer or any latest tech is not their target market. So that's why it's not for me. Korangu, are you there in Discord? Yes, Korangu, there is a Discord channel, guys. Discord here. My bot will send a Discord link. You guys can join there. I'll see you on the Discord. Error, try again. What happened? I also have 0 million in my main account. I mean, that's still some lag, man. 0.001 multiplied by like 1 with 6 zeros. The wrong math, sorry. You are still like pretty rich in that case. I don't use Windows, but today I opened my Windows IP. It's behaving strange, like in search app or crashing. Okay, here is the Discord link. Cool. Thank you, everyone. It's been already 1.5 hours. I was supposed to just stream for 1 hour,